Alright, another update. Just about done with the tractor. Muffler painted, sheet metal back on. Coming along nicely. Jacks installed, steering wheels installed. Greased everything. Got the new rear tires put on. Fogging up again. Brand is Ag Star. 16.9 by 30 R1 tread, rated at 14 ply. These are tube type. Everything back on the back end. Holy. Another new tire over here. Front tires will wait. Got a lot of life in the ones I got. Only thing left. Still got to put the rear, or excuse me, the canopy on. And over here on the left side, supposed to be a step here, and it's missing. I got one coming. Might fit, might not. Might have to do some modification. Again, it's not difficult at all. Ran all the numbers. Right now I'm at $7,463 total, including the cost of the tractor, complete set of manuals, the canopy, and including the step. Those both paid for, even though they haven't showed up yet. Retail's all over the place. The kicker is new rear tires and the rebuilt engine puts the value up around $9,500. That's reasonable. Not going to paint it. Paint's still good. This is not going to be a barn queen. That's about it. I'll hold off on any more videos till I get my canopy on and my step. Got a plow to hook onto it, a little 3-bottom. Can't remember if it's a 20-inch plow or not. Don't recall. I'll have to measure it. I'll get that mounted. I'll take some more pictures before I put it on the trailer and carry it up to the farm. That's all for today.